Let's make some homemade rosemary oil that keeps my locks glowing and my scalp moisturized. First, I'm starting with some jojoba oil, just pouring that into a measuring cup, along with some grapeseed oil. And these two oils will simmer on the stove together for about an hour in combination with the rosemary. I normally use about 1 or 2 tablespoons of rosemary for this recipe. I use dried rosemary leaves right now, but I am going to get some fresh rosemary and try it with that recipe. Try the recipe with fresh rosemary. The dry rosemary works fine. The only issue that I have is that sometimes the rosemary does not strain well, and when it goes into my bottle, there is some rosemary in there. I don't mind getting the rosemary in my hair because it's not that much, and what I simply do is just brush it out of my hair. So after the rosemary has simmered for about an hour on a very low temperature, by the way, make sure it's on the lowest temperature setting on your stove. I go ahead and pour the mixture into my little oil bottle, and I get these bottles from Amazon. They come in a set of about 3 or 4, and they're very well priced and reasonable. So after I pour the rosemary mixture into my bottle, I add in some Jamaican black castor oil, which I love, along with some tea tree and peppermint oil.